Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a traditional Swedish casserole that will take us back all the way to my childhood. So this is for my homeboys from Lindeborg. We're making a Flying Jakob and Flygande Jakob. The dish Flying Jakob was created by ABBA Jakobsson, and he was a guy who worked in air freight or air cargo, hence the name Flying Jakob. And it was first published in 1976 in the Swedish food magazine Allt Mat, everything about food. And it's one of those dishes that you enjoyed eating as a kid, but you were almost embarrassed admitting that you liked this because it was one of those sort of dish that it was almost shameful to eat. But it's really tasty, so let's look into how you make it. Start by setting the grill to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you want to take 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You want to trim off some of the fat and then cube into smaller cubes. Then you want to skewer these and season with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Bird Boost. Then you want to grill these until done, and at the same time you also want to grill a package of bacon until crispy. The chickens are now ready and they're sitting at a temperature of 165 degrees. So it's time to let the bacon cool off a little bit, and then we're going to start preparing the casserole. The first thing that we want to do is lower the grill to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you want to place the grilled chicken pieces in an oven-proof casserole pan, and then we want to crush the bacon and sprinkle on top. Next, you want to peel 2 bananas and slice into thin slices. Place the slices on top of the bacon and the chicken. Then you want to mix 2 cups of heavy whipping cream with 3/4 of a cup of chili sauce. And then you want to pour this over the casserole. Last but not least, you want to add a cup of salted peanuts on top. Then it's time to place the casserole in the grill and grill it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that is how you make the Swedish traditional casserole dish, the Flying Jakob. And I can't believe that I'm about to have this. It's probably been 32, 33 years ago since I had this the last time. And the smell just brings back memories to the family sitting around the dining table, eating this with a little bit of white rice. So it's time to take that trip down memory lane and try it out. It is so weird because the flavors just work. You got the bananas, you got the chickens, you got the peanuts, you got a little bit of heat of the chili, and then a wonderful creaminess of the cream. The only thing that you need to do now is put on some ABBA on the stereo and enjoy this with your family. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Happy grilling.